Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to do a Dell Inspiron 5520 laptop screen replacement. Okay, so first you need a broken laptop. I don't recommend it. You need to get the battery out of there so you don't kill yourself. So pull the two slots outwards and then pull the battery out. It's probably the easiest part. Now you got to get that front panel off. So just get in there with the screwdriver or fingernails, which I don't have, and just start pulling that thing off. You need to use a little bit of force, but it's okay. Ta-da! Okay, now you need to take out these two screws in the top corners. So this will give you access to all of the small screws that need to come out on the side. I recommend using a small bowl so you don't lose them. Now you got to pull out the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little screws that are on the sides of the screen. So you just wedge it out so you have access, and here we go. I would recommend using a small magnetic tip screwdriver so you don't lose the screws. The type of screwdriver you use with this is a small Phillips screwdriver. All right, now that we got those out, put the screen and lay it down on the keyboard part of it. That yellow string you see is the cord that actually plugs into the screen of the laptop. And right here is the connector. There's a piece of tape on top of the connectors to help keep it in. So get a flathead screwdriver or your fingernails and just start pulling that piece of tape off to loosen it up. And there we go. That's the connector. The tape is off. Now you just slide it backwards towards the front and it comes off. Now for the fun part, you get to pull the new laptop screen out of the bag. There's the connector that I was talking about. That's where you plug it in. Now you just reverse the process of putting the screws, and then you snap on the plate, that plastic plate that we took off earlier. Just clicks back into place. Make sure it's snug in there. Turn the power on. And this is of course after you put the battery in. It's not going to do much if you don't have the battery. Ta-da!